In this video, we're going to look at the rhythm and strumming basics you need to get playing real songs right away. To do this, we're going to have to understand about bars and beats. For 95% of songs, we have something called a bar, which has a measure of 4 beats or 4 pulses. Those pulses have a count of 1, 2, 3, 4. And the simplest strumming patterns we can use are playing once per bar and then once per beat. The once per bar is called a spread, and the once per beat is just called fourth strumming because we're splitting a bar into 4. Songs that do this are known to have a time signature of 4/4, which means 4 beats to the bar and they are 4 quarter beats. For example, if I was just to pick the E major chord to a nice even tempo, and I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be using the strumming pattern spreads. If I was to strum on the beat, it would sound like 1, 2, 3, 4. Which brings me on to the actual strumming motion. What we just want to get used to is a slight twist of the wrist, because that's how we're going to get you doing faster, looser, better sounding strumming patterns and not covering a big, huge amount of ground like this. So let's have a go at this first of all with spreads. If I was to count 1, 2, 3, 4, we strum on every one. Ready? In 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And encouraging a slight twist of the wrist to do that motion. Especially when we're strumming once per beat, this becomes really important. And that's all we're going to do. We're going to take that first chord, E major, but no chord changes just yet. So let's start off on the beat. Join in with me in 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Slight twist of the wrist, nice and soft. Don't drag. It's just one sound with a nice twist of the wrist. And then we go for spreads. 2, 3, 4. Spread. 2, 3, 4. One more. And then back to the beat. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish on a spread in 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Outside of the palm of your hand, silences the guitar for a nice clean finish. Finishing like that makes it seem like you know what you're doing.